In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable 2FA on Kucoin in 2025. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring that you can manage your security settings with ease and confidence. First things first, you'll need to go to the Kucoin website. Open your preferred web browser and visit Kucoin's official homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice a familiar layout if you've been here before. For newcomers, just take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Next, you need to log into your account. On the top right corner of the homepage, you'll see the Login button. Click on it to proceed. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Be sure to type in your username and password carefully. If you've set up any additional security steps like email verification, complete those as well. Once you're logged into your Kucoin account, head over to the home page if you're not redirected there automatically. At this point, it's good to ensure everything looks right and your account details appear as they should. Double-check any vital information for your peace of mind. Now, click on the Profile tab. You can usually find this at the top right section of the screen, often represented by an icon or your avatar. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, navigate towards the account security, or simply find your way to security settings from the available options. Within your account's security settings, the next focus is on managing your two-factor authentication, commonly known as 2FA. Click on the two-factor authentication link. This is a crucial step as 2FA adds an extra layer of protection to your account. However, if you need to disable it for any reason, here's how. Under the 2FA settings, you will see an option for Google verification. Click on it to access relevant settings. Google verification, which typically uses Google Authenticator, is a popular method for 2FA, providing enhanced security through time-based codes. Finally, you'll see an option to unlink or disable the Google Authenticator from your Kucoin account. Click this option, and a confirmation prompt may appear, asking if you're sure about disabling it. Follow any additional instructions that appear, which may include entering confirmation codes sent to your email or phone. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled 2FA on your Kucoin account. Remember, while this increases ease of access, it's always recommended to keep some form of security measures active to protect your account. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore other tutorials to enhance your experience and security on Kucoin.